Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're exploring the amazing benefits of drinking warm lemon water every morning. Let's get started. Lemons are packed with essential vitamins and nutrients like vitamin C, B-complex vitamins, calcium, potassium, iron, magnesium, and fiber. Drinking lemon water first thing in the morning can do wonders for your health. Just remember to dilute lemon juice with water to protect your teeth from its acidity. Benefit 1. Boosts your immune system. Lemon juice is rich in vitamin C, which is crucial for a healthy immune system. Vitamin C levels drop when you're stressed, so having some lemon water on stressful days can give you an extra boost. Benefit 2. Excellent source of potassium. Excellent source of potassium. Lemons are high in potassium, which is vital for heart health, brain function, and nerve communication. Benefit 3. Aids digestion. Lemon juice helps flush out toxins from your stomach, reducing symptoms of indigestion such as heartburn, burping, and bloating. Benefit 4. Cleanses your system. Lemon juice helps your liver work more efficiently by removing toxins from your body. Benefit 5. Freshens your breath. Lemon juice can help relieve toothaches and gingivitis. But be cautious. Don't brush your teeth immediately after drinking lemon water to avoid damaging your enamel. Instead, brush before or wait a bit. Benefit 6. Keeps your skin blemish-free. The antioxidants in lemon juice help reduce blemishes and wrinkles. Applying it to scars and age spots can lighten them. By detoxifying your blood, it also promotes a radiant complexion. Benefit 7. Helps you lose weight. The pectin fiber in lemon juice can curb your appetite, helping you feel full and aiding in weight loss. Benefit 8. Reduces inflammation. Regularly drinking lemon water can decrease the acidity in your body, reducing inflammation and the risk of illness. It also helps eliminate uric acid from your joints, preventing swelling. Benefit 9. Gives you an energy boost. Lemon juice provides an energy boost when it enters your digestive system. It also helps reduce anxiety and depression. Even the scent of lemons can have a calming effect on your nervous system. Benefit 10. Helps fight viral infections. Lemon water is effective in reducing viral infections and soothing sore throats. It also supports your immune system in fighting off infections. As you can see, incorporating warm lemon water into your morning routine can have incredible health benefits. It's a simple yet powerful change you can make for your well-being. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more health tips and recipes, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful day.